Welcome everyone to a special December series for Let's Code Physics. I am here with Katie Humphreys, physics major here at University of North Florida. We are going to be playing with some Gravitrax equipment. I have played with this once with my nephew about a year ago. I watched one video online, but otherwise I'm flying into this with no experience. Katie, what about you?
Definitely never seen it before.
Okay, what are you looking forward to in this process?
To be honest, when I found out we were doing this, all I could think about was like building a really cool like spiral down track and making loops, seeing if we can make things go upside down.
I think there are spirals, yes, there are things we can spiral. So what we're gonna do is a little unboxing here, but I'm gonna immediately take out the instructions and set them aside because I want us to try to guess what each item is for. Like I said, we are both physicists, we are not engineers, so this is gonna be a little bit fun. And this is the part that will probably go in fast motion. All right, let's get that new plastic smell ready.
Oh
That's
yeah.
nice, that's nice. There we go. Okay, Gravitrax experience the power of gravity, so we are going to take these as advertised and set them aside. We will get those back out momentarily. All right, your guesses as to what this piece is.
Maybe the little metal balls fall through it.
I am thinking that there's a pack of bees somewhere in here, and we're supposed to raise those bees. That's my guess. Okay. What about these? What do you think?
Oh, these are definitely tracked.
Definitely tracked. I did see them doing on a video I watched. I did see them do some interesting things with those, where the balls didn't necessarily go down there, but they would use them to like knock the next ball down the track or something.
Cool.
These look like they snap into here. So you were closer than I was. Do they snap? Okay, okay, there we go. Okay, they don't make a noise, but they do fit in there. Maybe these go in here. Oh, okay, you were right. These are little, maybe. Guess we'll find out. Put those in here. All right, you pick the next one. What would you like next?
Green.
Green things.
Oh, buddy.
That's cool. Oh, these come in different lengths. That's neat.
These definitely look like they go on the honeycomb.
I'm sensing a theme here.
Yeah.
I mean, are you familiar with hexagons or the vestagons?
No.
Okay, we'll link that video in the description below. Excuse me, underneath the like button. You don't say in the description anymore, you say underneath the like button, because then that's a subliminal reminder that there's a like button. Okay, so I see this thing. So if you can't see this on the camera, maybe we'll get a close-up picture of it afterwards, but it's 3 tracks coming together, and I'm not exactly sure how the ball is supposed to choose which way it goes, but there are these indentations there. And so I'm thinking maybe you have 1 marble come in and 2 go out or something. I don't know, that would be cool to watch out for. This is sloped downwards. I'm guessing this is where you start the marble maybe? Okay, there's your hole that it falls through. So if I were to put this on one of these, no, on this. All right, well I don't see where it snaps on. All right, I guess we'll get to that in a little bit. This thing I'm not sure. It broke off of somebody's Tesla, maybe? I don't know. And this is the one piece like this I've seen so far. So let's try. Oh, it's got numbers. 1, 2, 3. Weird. Is that like the amount?
3.
Maybe that's the amount of energy you get when you place the ball there.
Oh, that's better.
Okay, I think these might be what gets matched. No. This might be what gets matched up here. Okay. This can go inside here, so that gets matched up there. I'm going to tentatively put that aside. Maybe this locks this off or something? No? Okay. This is still a mystery. Should probably put all the unique pieces in one place.
Yeah.
There's all those. All right. I'm going to open this one. This is just more of the same, but your turn to pick bag.
These are more, but they have like little arrows. Is this directional? So like.
I know in Mario Kart you drive over this and you go faster.
Yeah.
So. Oh, there's a little hinge thing on the back.
Is
Is that attached to? Ooh, hello,
Little
hello,
bitty
hello.
T-shapes.
Oh. Okay. It doesn't exactly hinge, but it gives a little bit of wiggle room. So look at, I mean, there's a little bit, it concaves in just a little bit here.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe, I feel like it's supposed to tip over, but it's not tipping much with this thing. I mean, clearly they're supposed to go together. They're even in a resealable bag. Well, that's very important.
Mm-hmm.
We have like a million of these in my house just because I'm always afraid I'm going to need them.
Ooh.
I'm looking to see if I've got a box to put these big black ones in. I do not. So maybe they'll stay in their bag for right now. It's more of the same.
This was loose, but it feels a little bouncy.
Oh, yeah. I think, we saw this on the box, but I think the balls bounce off of this thing. Oh!
That's awesome.
There's a clue of what these green things,
yeah.
what the chevron arrows do. Okay, there's another piece that goes under there, apparently.
Yeah, this is a clip on.
This is a little bouncy net, so you can get a little elastic collision there. That's pretty cool. Put that with the unique items.
This has metal in the middle. If the balls are magnetic, maybe it holds them here.
I can test that because I don't know if I've ever said this on the channel, but my wedding band has meteorite around it, and
cool.
so that is magnetic. Yeah, sure enough,
yeah.
magnetic. So anytime I need to test something magnetic, just grab this. I was teaching one time, and I was at one of those computer cart things. It's got the pull-out drawer for the keyboard. Well, it has a little hinge door in the front, and it sticks there because it's magnetic. And I didn't realize there were magnets. This is when I discovered that this was magnetic, because it stuck to that, and I didn't realize that, and I walked away. I almost fell over.
Oh my gosh.
Because it was pulling me backwards, and I wasn't expecting it. Here is your spiral, I think.
Looks like it.
It looks like maybe maybe you stack these on top of each other, and then it just goes down that way. I don't know. I'll leave that on your side, since you were looking forward to that. Finally the marbles. 10 minutes in, we get to the marbles.
Very exciting.
Oh, there we go. Okay, and these, there's another hinge on that one. That's interesting. Let's put that with the other hingey piece. Those are the same things. Let me put those there. And we have 6 marbles. So I think when we go to run these, I think I get 3, you get 3.
Yeah, sounds
There we
good.
go. And let's test that question about the magnet here. Sure enough.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so that's for them
That
to
might
stick.
be where they stop.
I mean, unless you have one on the other side and the other one can knock it out or something. No, but it's a pretty strong magnet actually.
Oh
There we go. I mean, it's a nice place to store them too, because I should be able to. Yep, transmits the magnetic field
Very cool.
very well.
I'm pretty sure these are to cap off holes there
Okay.
that are like
yes,
not being used.
Because these are a little bit thinner than these. That's interesting. All right, what do you want next?
I think these are more of the like the tracks that have
Yeah,
like the wedges and.
Yeah, so for the camera, these have different combinations of I can go crisscross, I can do a big turn and a little turn. Did you ever play Suro?
No.
Okay, so Suro is this amazing tabletop game. It's very simple. Everybody is controlling a dragon.
Okay.
And your goal is to not fall off the board or run into another dragon. And what you do is you have they're squares, but I suppose hexes could work just as well. But you put this on there, and each square has a different little path pattern, and there's always 2 in and 2 out on each edge. And so you put one in front of your dragon. You have 3 at a time. You put a tile in front of your dragon, and you follow where the path leads.
That's cool.
But that means if you connect to somebody else's, you're now going down the path that they laid out. And so there's a finite space on the table. And so mathematically, at most 1 dragon can survive, but it's also possible for no dragons to survive. So yeah, pretty fun game.
It sounds actually really
Maybe
cool.
we should do that next.
Yeah.
You know what, let's leave those in the bag. Okay, what do you have there?
Even more little tracks that have different. Oh no, these look different. Let me. Okay, so it looks like these go together,
Mm-hmm.
and I think they go together like this.
I think you're right.
But I'm not sure. Ooh, yeah.
Okay, it's nice when they actually snap. I spent about a year putting in laminate wood flooring in a townhouse, and the instructions said press it until it snaps. I never heard a snap.
Yeah.
After 1,000 square feet, I still never heard a snap. Okay, so this looks like this is the thing I was thinking of where it tips.
It
So that's
probably
pretty
attaches
cool.
right here somewhere so that it can.
Are you ready for some good news?
Yes.
I have found the missing
Oh,
speed booster
yeah.
chevron pieces. Ah, they went over here. So, these both have their own separate bag. I think they can fit in here together though, so. Oh goodness, there are tiny pieces in there. Okay, so these are definitely all gonna go together, I think. I'm guessing in the factory, they come off of different conveyor belts, and so that's why they have them in separate bags. But now we have an extra special bag, so maybe the marbles can go in there when all is said and done.
Marble bag.
All right, what would you like next?
There's some clear plastic tubing.
Yeah, there's a lot
And
of
rods and
pitchfork.
yeah.
Oh, it's a double pitchfork. Never seen a weapon like that. We'll have to stab that out for a Pathfinder later. All right, I feel like these are supposed to go together. Don't exactly see how. You know what they remind me? Okay, I'm dating myself, but these look like deucer sticks.
Definitely dating.
And they're definitely giving me the munchies, even though I've never eaten a deucer stick in real life, obviously. Okay, we're gonna set those there. All right, I see a couple more specialty pieces. This looks like it's maybe. All right, if I look at how this goes down like this looks like maybe a starter thing. Maybe it pairs with one of these or something. Oh, you know what? These did have labels. We probably should have written down the
my
labels.
goodness.
He discovered when the box is almost
Yep.
empty. Oh well, that'll just be part of the fun. Okay, I do remember this one. This one is a try-release thing.
That's
So you
really
start
cool.
with 3 marbles up at the top.
That's
I
awesome.
do remember that one. What else we got? We got a couple more bags.
These definitely look marble sized. Like a marble could slide down them.
I wonder if those go with your spiral set over there.
And it looks like they like maybe
Is it like a
latch.
snaky bridge thing or something?
Might be. That would be really cool. Oh yeah, they snap like this.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, and they move.
Okay.
Oh, that's cool.
It reminds
That's
me of
really
those
cool.
Asian dragon neck things.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah.
You can make like a little
Oh,
drawbridge
that's cool.
for the marbles.
Oh, that's really neat. Okay. Oh wow. We have a new marble on set, so there's now a prime number of marbles to divvy out between 2 people. I mean, they could have fit one more in there, clearly. Is this the same size? This one is bigger than the others, so that's why you only get one. Okay, so we still have an even number of marbles to distribute between the dos, and we have the big marble.
I wonder if that one's for like knocking the other marbles around.
Well, like it doesn't fit in this one, so there is. I think you're right. There is some size restrictions. It barely fits down the track. Like if you look, it's not really fit. There's a little bit of space there. So I'm really curious what the big marble does. There is a grabber arm in there. Oh, now that's interesting. Okay, so a little power stick there or something. All right. All right, we got a few more things here. Oh, colored marbles.
Oh my gosh.
We have a red, blue, and a green, and then 3 more
It just keeps getting
regular
better.
size marbles. Yeah, okay, so we definitely need a bag for the marbles
This
later
is another.
on. There's another bouncy one.
trampoline.
Okay, cool.
And then I think you had a gray one that looked like this, but it's green.
Yeah, what's different about those, I wonder? Oh, this has a little weird segment. Okay, I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but it's got a wedge shape to it. So maybe it's supposed to maybe that's an inelastic collision or
Interesting.
something.
And had its own little bag.
It has its own special bag. All right, I'll put that with the special bags.
Alright.
Okay, this week I like to take the box apart a little bit. Okay, and now the best part, the punch out tiles.
Oh boy.
Okay, so maybe this is supposed to be the very bottom. And then, I think this goes on top of that maybe? So let's try that out. Let me grab one of these honeycombs here. Alright, one more. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, sure enough. gets fit in there. Okay, so I don't know if that's mandatory or if that just adds a little height to it.
Definitely looks fun.
Okay.